This is David with Mid-Atlantic Construction. We're here at Curtis and LaShan Scott on Emo Street in Capitol Heights. We are going to be doing a repair. Hold on just for a second. You can see that this one here is damaged. So this is the one here that we're replacing, and we'll see if it damages the ones above when we do it.
Ready?
Yep. All right, see there is some damage to the ones above. What about the one beside it? Yeah, you can see it's coming off there a little bit. Yep. Okay, let's go ahead and put the other shingle, new one in. They're actually cracked.
Let's do this shingles on 45.
Okay. Look at where the grit loss is there. That one had some, it made it worse. That one there actually has a little bit of crack in it, and that's the one that we just replaced. I would put that in as a failure because replacing the one caused damage to the ones above. Of course, we're close to the top of the roof, but over where the tree actually punctured the roof, it was on down further, and it's going to cause more damage. And then there's also damage on the back. The farther down it is, the more shingles we'll end up having to replace.